Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well in this present moment right now, but it seems like you are since you clicked on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a full in and out review of Outre's Dominica, as well as how I styled her into this really cute space bun look. If you would like to see more, then keep watching.
Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture to zoom.
This is Outre's Perfect Hairline, fully tied 13x6 lace wig, Dominica. 13x6 wig, if you're new to that and you're like, what does that mean? Basically, it's a 6-inch parting. It's 13 by the on the hairline, which means you can do so much to the wig. So this is how the wig is looking. This is a 6-inch parting space right here. So you can part the wig all from here all the way to there. Also has a thick strap in the back along with the smaller straps that wigs usually come with. And you just put it together like that. Also has 2 combs right in the front. You guys can see that. So this is how Dominica looks on my head. She's very, very, very full, as you can see. They said the lace is transparent, but I'm going to still tint my lace. I've been using this product called Eben New York. I got it from my local beauty supply store. And this is how it looks. And I have the color medium brown. What I like about this product is it doesn't smell. And it also isn't sticky. The fact that as soon as you spray it on, it's super dry. So you don't have to worry about blow drying it or drying it. The part is super, super deep. Here to here, which is really, really pretty. So I did the other half off camera as well as added the bobos. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you like this wig below. I'll see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.